Hello again. Today we are going to be listening to four sounds and putting those four sounds together to make a word. And we're going to do that by going to Georgie's gym. So I'm going to pretend to be Georgie and I'm in charge of the gym. So I'm going to give you four sounds and you're going to listen carefully to the four sounds and see if you can put them together to make an action, something that you can actually do. So you're going to listen to the four sounds, say the word you think that those four sounds make when we put them together. We'll then check and see if you're right. And then when I say ready, steady, go, you can do the action in the gym. So ready for your first one. So the first thing you're going to do in the gym today is w, e, n, k. So say what you think that is. W, e, n, k. Right, we'll see if you were right. W, e, n, k. Wink. When I say ready, steady, go, you can wink. Ready, steady, go. So see if you can wink. Here's your next one. Exercise number 2 today. You're going to pretend to ch. Ch. Let's see if you're right. Ch. Munch. Off you go. Exercise number 3 today. You're going to, so remember to say what you think it is you're going to do. J, a, p. Let's see if you're right. J, a, p. Jump. Ready, steady, go. Okay, and stop and come back to me. Here's exercise number 4. You're going to g, r, e, n. Say what you think it is. G, r, e, n. Let's see if you're right. G, r, e, n. Grin. Can you grin? That's a big smile. Here's your next one. Can you s, r, o, t? T, r, o, t. Let's see if you're right. T, r, o, t. Trot. Like a horse. Ready, steady, go. Okay, come back to me. Here's your next one. You're going to pretend to s, e, m. Say what you think it is. S, e, m. Let's see if you're right. S, e, m. Swim. Ready, steady, go. So you might want to do front crawl, or you might want to do some breaststroke. And come back to me. Here's your next exercise. You're going to g, r, o, n. G, r, o, n. Let's see if you're right. G, r, o, n. Groan. Can you groan? Oh. Here's your next one. Can you shrug? Shrug. Let's see if you're right. Shrug. Shrug. Ready, steady, go. Can you shrug your shoulders up and down? Okay, we've got 2 more exercises left. The next one, you're going to pretend to be something. So listen to what you've got to pretend to be. A frog. Frog. Let's see if you're right. Frog. Frog. Can you pretend to be a frog? You might say ribbit, 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 or you might jump around the room like a frog. Okay, and back to me, and this is your last one. You are going to do a sp, I, n. Sp, I, n. Let's see if you're right. Sp, I, n. Spin. Ready, steady, go. And back the other way so you don't get dizzy. Fantastic, and stop. Well done. That was 10 exercises in the gym today. And that's going to help you, all that listening is going to help you when you next see a word that's got 4 sounds, and you've got to say those sounds and put them together to get the right word when you're reading. So if you found some of those a little bit tricky today, that's okay. Have another play of the video another time and see if you can get more of the exercises right just by listening to those sounds. Enjoy!